Welcome to my first video, and we're going to talk about layer height on Bamboo Lab Studio with the Bamboo Lab P2S. The default layer height for everything is 0.2 millimeters, but you can adjust it. Right now, I have this shattered column bookend, which will basically hold the books from falling. And with the default layer height of 0.2, the print time is 3 hours. Now, the actual modal print time is 2 hours and 52 minutes, and the weight is 86 grams. Now, if we would have a much lower layer height, we would have an increased time, but also increased quality. The rule is this: the higher your layer height, the worse quality is going to be, and the less it will take. The lower the layer height, the more the print will take, but the better quality you will receive. Now, on this, we can see that we're getting 6 hours and 18 minutes of actual modal printing time with 0.08 millimeters. And we're getting 89.07 grams. Now, over here, we can see that the lines are very small and the detail is very good. Now, if we would do the same thing on 0.2 millimeters, we would see that the result of the top surface is completely different. Now, if you want to print very quality stuff, you would want to have a lower layer height to have better results. With as you can see, with 0.2 millimeter layer height, there is a much worse, I would say, detail, and there's more like slopes over here, which are far more visible, and especially in the end result, the result will be much worse than you can get. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.